Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Ensuring Cloud Data Reliability with Minimum Replication by Proactive Replica Checking. Now we can see the abstract of our project. So data reliability and the storage cost are two primary concerns for current cloud storage systems. To ensure data reliability, the widely used multi-replica replication strategy in current clouds incurs a huge extra storage consumption, resulting in a huge storage cost for data-intensive applications in the cloud. In particular, in order to reduce the cloud storage consumption while meeting the data reliability requirement, in this project, we present a cost-effective data reliability management mechanism named PRCR based on generalized data reliability model. By using a proactive replica checking approach, while the running overhead of PRCR is negligible, PRCR ensures reliability of the massive cloud data with the minimum replication, which can also serve as a cost-effective benchmark for the replication based approaches. So it indicates that when compared to the conventional 3 replica strategy, PRCR can reduce from 1/3 to the cloud storage space consumption. So hence it is very efficient to store the data in the cloud. So here we are in this approach, the user can upload the files to the cloud by encrypting them using AES algorithm and can check for the replicas. So our approach also helps to reduce the replication of the cloud data by checking the cloud storage and database with the help of metadata. Now we can see the flow diagram of our project. So here first the user will log in into the system. So first he want to register and then he want to log in. So then he will request the key for encryption purpose. So he will request the key to the TPA, that is third party authority of the cloud. So the third party authority will be logged in first itself. So if he is the valid user, he can view the request of the users who are all given request for the key. If he is invalid, he will ask to log in with correct credentials. So after receiving the request from the user, he will view the request and he will generate the key. So after generating the key, he will send to the user. So when user get the key, he can able to encrypt and upload the file to the cloud. So after uploading the file to the cloud, the cloud will create one replica. That is, the cloud will store the file and create the replica. So the replica is created automatically. So after replica creation, the user can request the replica. That is, he can request his file how much he want. Suppose for example he need the file five number of files. That is, the same file he need for 5 times, means he just can enter the number as 5 and he can request for it, so that the created replica is sent to the user as multiple 5 times. So the file is downloaded 5 times. Thus after when the user exits the system, the cloud will delete the replica, and also the user can able to delete the file in the cloud storage system. So this is the flow diagram of our project. Now we can see the running process of our project. So first in the user part, I am going to click the home page. I am going to run the file. So it is a home page. So next I am going to click the next button. So this is the login. So you can sign up here or else you can directly log in here. So I am going to log in because I already have the account. Okay, login. So login success. So here we are going to get the key for the encryption purpose, but before we are going to request the key, the cloud should be, TPA should always be in the running state. So I am going to run the home.java of TPA. Okay, so here is the username and password. Okay, so it should be accepted first. So it is accepted, the accept request is given first because it is a server program. It should accept all the requests given by the user. So the accept request is clicked first. So now I'm going to request the key. Okay, now we can get the key. So after getting the key, I am just going to generate the key here and going to send the key. Okay, you can see the message that key is received. So if I get show key, the key is displayed here, and I'm going to save the key. Key is saved in the local storage. So next, so now it is the process of uploading the file. I'm going to browse the file to upload. So I'm just going to browse that sample.txt. Open. So now we want to get the key file for encryption purpose. So I'm just going to key.txt. Open. So you can see here. So now I'm just going to encrypt it. So file is encrypted here and saved. So when I display it, we can able to see that encrypted file. So now we are going to upload the file. So what file we are going to upload? Encrypt file. We are going to upload the encrypted file. So open. Okay. So now it's the part of cloud. So here I am going to run the server. Run file. Okay, just click here. So now I want to accept the file. So when I accept the file, you can get the message file uploaded to the cloud service provider successfully. Okay. Now we are going to next slide. So here, after accepting the file, we want to create the replica. So replica is created here. Next, okay. Then we go to next. So it is the server, so it should always be in the show condition. That is, whenever the user sends the request, it should be displayed here. So the show button is clicked first. Now I am going to enter how many data I need. So I am going to enter 3 copies I needed. So I am just going to enter and going to request here. This is selected successfully. Okay. You can see here that 3 is received in the cloud, and I'm going to send the replicas now. So I have sent the replica. Okay, now I'm just going to accept the replica here. So when I accept the replica, I'm going to show it. So you can see that the file is decrypted and shown to us. So I'm going to click the next button. So I'm going to delete all the cloud files. So before going to delete that, you can check here first. So you can see that duplicate file.txt, that is, it is stored in the cloud. The replica that which we accepted is created here. So file, it is the original file, that is encrypted file. So you can see the encrypted file here. So this is the cloud. These both are the cloud storage. And you can see here is user disk. Here you can see the sample.txt that which we have uploaded. Here the duplicate text is that which is downloaded from the cloud when accepted. So it is the key file and it is the encrypted file. And here we can see the 3 copies that we have downloaded. So next we are going to delete the files in the cloud storage. So I am just going to delete the cloud files. When I click it, it is going to show the original content of the file. So I am going to delete the file. So original file deleted from the cloud. Okay. So when I click the logout button, the replica are deleted from the cloud. So that by this, using this process, the storage space is minimized in the clouds. So it helps to minimize the storage space in the clouds easily. So thank you for watching.